So guys, this is going to be our prediction for the day on our AUDUSD. So let's start with the trend. First, we all know we need to know the trend. Second, we need to trade with the trend. But make sure you've subscribed to the channel to those that are yet to subscribe. Like and share, make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel so that once we drop one or two updates, you will not miss out on any single updates. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. Now let's take a look at what AUD is going to be giving us for the day. Now let's start with the trend right here. What can we say the trend is on our AUD? It is very clear that AUD is in an uptrend move. This is the overall movement by the way. And the overall trend says that we are in an uptrend move, right? You can see the market has been pushing up. It is an uptrend move, right? So this is it right here. Market was able to push up to form an high. Here comes the higher low, right? Markets eventually push up again to form a new higher high. Here comes the higher low, right? Market now push up again to form an high, right? Higher high. This is the pullback phase. Higher low that's give us a false reversal movement. Markets eventually push up again to form a new higher high that took out this previous high. Now, if you take a look at this movement right here, this is an higher low. So market has now given us an higher low. So with this movement right here, we should be expecting market to push up again till it is able to give us a new higher high, thereby taking out this previous high. So this is to tell you that in the long run, we should be expecting AUD to give us a bullish move. So a bullish move is exactly what we should be expecting AUD to give us. Now let's go down to the 4 hour time frame, guys. So first, if you take a look at this movement right here, market is ranging within this level. You can see the market is ranging on our 4 hour time frame. So this is it right here. First, market came to tap a resistance, then it rejected, it gave us a reaction. Now the market go back to retest it again right here. Now markets eventually got to this level and it rejected and dropped to tap our support. Market then rallied up to tap our resistance, then it dropped again to tap our support level, right? Markets eventually rejected from our support and came back to tap our resistance. Now that market is at this resistance, guess what we will be expecting market to do next? We should be expecting market to drop to tap our support level. So this is to tell you that a sell, a bearish move is what we should be expecting on our AUD. So if you are not yet in the sell, look to go in for the sale as market will still drop and hit our support level. More updates on this will be covered for you guys, so make sure you subscribe in order for you to miss out on any single updates.